draw something, and we're going to play a little game to figure out this answer. So we're going to put a box right here, and this is what we're going to now call the mystery box. So we're going to have to find the unknown number and put it in the mystery box. For our problem right here, what is this unknown number? What could we also call that? 13, but what's another name for it, Bronwyn? Maybe an answer? This is the answer, but please don't blurt. But for another problem, you might not know this number, but you would know that this is 13. So this mystery box might then be moved here. So we're going to play a little game. I have a mystery box, and I'm going to write a problem on the board right here. And I'm going to choose one person who's sitting very quietly to come search through my box with a magnifying glass and see if they can find the mystery number. That is the answer to our problem, okay? So if you're sitting quietly, I'll call you up. But first, before we do that, we're all going to solve the problem on our whiteboard, just so that we have an idea of what number we're looking for if we get chose to come up here, okay? So we're going to do 6 plus 6 equals, and then draw that mystery box at the end. That's where our unknown number is going to go. 6 plus 6. And when you're done, flash your board right in front of your chest again so I can see. Awesome. Can Logan and Emma, can you guys solve the problem? Bryce, can you solve the problem? All right, if you have the answer, go ahead and put that back on your lap. Bronwyn, will you come up here and show us how you solve the problem? Or you can use this marker if you want. Up to you. And then Bronwyn's going to choose one friend who's watching her very closely to look for her mystery number through the box. What's your answer? Can you tell your friends? 12. Can you choose one friend to come look through the box? 12. Can you come see if there's a 12 in here? I'll hold them up. Ella found it. 12. So there was a 12 in our mystery box. Do you see how we have our problem here? We have the equal sign, and then we have the mystery box where we find our mystery number. Should we try one more?
Yeah.
We'll do one more. Oh? Should we try a tricky one?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can do a tricky one.
Yay.
Let's see what I can do. Thanks, Paul. You can have a seat. Let's see what numbers I have in my mystery box. See if we can do a really tricky one.
What do you want to add up to 20?
7 plus
7. I already know.
3 equals, and add that mystery box at the end.
That's easy. That's too easy.
It might be easy for you, but sometimes this is really tricky for me because one number is super big and the other number is smaller. And sometimes that's hard to add those big numbers to those small numbers. Once you flash your board, you can put it right on your lap. Logan, will you come up here and solve the problem for us? What number goes in that mystery box? Did anybody else get the same answer as Logan?
Yeah.
Logan, how did you get that answer?
Because we did this in
remembered it from another day. Good remembering. Did anybody else solve it a different way? Lily, how'd you solve this problem? By dots. Lily used dots. Who solved it even a different way? Colton. Tally marks. Do you see how there's so many different ways we can solve our problems? Logan, choose one friend to come and look through the mystery box. Someone who's been sitting very quietly. Wesley. You can use the magnifying glass or you can dig your hands in there so you can find one. You see Tim? I know. It's kind of hard in that magnifying glass, isn't it? Sometimes it helps.
Looks like it's closer than.
It does. Perfect. Okay, show everybody the answer. Did Wesley find the correct answer? Yes. So we see that 7 plus 3 equals 10. And what are we calling this box right here? Mystery box. And by a raise of hand, what are we putting in that mystery box? Numbers. What is this number? Do we know what this number is? It's not for this problem. Mia, do we know what this number is always? No. This is called our unknown number that we're putting in our mystery box. Because Miss Hutchinson in a later math unit might put 7 plus the mystery box equals 10. And you would have to figure out what goes in that mystery box. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our seats and we're going to solve when I say go, Wesley, can you see? When I say go, you're going to go back to your seat. You're going to solve a problem and I'm going to choose 3 people who solve the problem differently to come show it under the dot cam for their whole class to see. And we're going to see how everybody solves the mystery box differently. Because what do we put in the mystery box?
The missing number.
The missing number, the unknown number. So you may walk quietly to your seat and I'll put a problem on the board. It's right there on the right. Walk very quietly. Emma, thank you for sitting so quietly. She's ready for my addition problem. Yep, we're going to do an addition problem. We're not going to do one of those tricky ones quite yet. All right. This might be a little tricky, but that's why it's okay to make a mistake. Because if we make a mistake and we show it on the dot cam, a lot of our other friends in the class probably did the exact same thing, right?
It's okay not to know, but it's okay not to try.
Exactly. Kendrick just said it exactly right. It's okay if you make a mistake. Just try your best, whatever way you can, to solve the problem. So this might be a little tricky, but I think we can all solve it, don't you? Yes. We're going to do 8 plus 7 equals, what do we put after the equal sign?
Mystery box.
Mystery box. So on your board, do 8 plus 7 equals mystery box and try to solve for that unknown number. Try one more time. Maybe use the dot method if you need to. You can ask Kylie if she needs some help. Looks like Kylie's using the dots. Remember, if you show a way that you solve the problem, like I see Bella here is using her fingers, then she can come to the dot cam in a little bit and show me how she solved this problem. Can you try one more time? You can use Hattie if you need some help. If you need some help, don't be afraid to ask the person next to you. You can say, hey, can you show me how you're drawing all those dots? I think I forgot. Try one more time. Mia, you can ask Wesley if you need some help. Colton, did you get it? I like how Colton put question question marks around the box. We're trying to figure out that unknown number in the box. All right, give